Hey, you guys can't stop there.
You can't park here, guys.
Can't park there. For the record, man, I just want to say I hate bikes.
Yeah, you would. I like that both of y'all have, like, Jason's over here in like professional fishing gear, kind of sun shirt going on, got the hood on and everything, SPF 50, got a backpack that kind of looks like it belongs out here. Evan clearly got a backpack that this guy is in cargo pants, a Monster Army jacket, and he's got the biggest fucking military backpack I've ever seen over here. He's riding into battle. Okay, I didn't recognize it.
Big area.
Across the bridge and to the right there is where that tannery is.
Oh, we're almost to the state park.
Yeah, it looks, Hickory Run's just like up and around the corner. Do you want to go to that tannery real quick and then we'll head back?
Yeah.
Bomb the street.
Bomb it. I'm coming up between you two.